Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Google Sheets and Slack. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new row is added in Google Sheets, it will automatically send a message via Slack. Now Google Sheet is an awesome spreadsheet program and Slack is a messaging platform. So what we are going to do is we are going to send the data from Google Sheet to Slack. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Google Sheet and Slack. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Google Sheets and Slack. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Google Sheets to Slack. Google Sheets to Slack. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Google Sheets? Because we want to send the data from Google Sheets. That is why. Google Sheets, okay. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new spreadsheet row? Now there is only one trigger event, that is new spreadsheet row. Okay, so your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new row is updated or added in Google Sheet, then what action should be taken by the system? So at present, we just have one trigger event, that is a new spreadsheet row for Google Sheet. Now in case if you want more trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new row is made in Google Sheet. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are just trying to integrate Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet and it has been titled Google Sheets to Slack. And these are the columns I have. Okay, so this is the first column, that is message, and a message has been given here. And there is a column B called as all text, and this is the all text. And this is the bot name for Slack. And my bot name is Elon Musk, and we also have the image URL. Okay, so this is the image URL. Now as you can see, D is the last column. Okay, D is the last column. Okay, so to begin the integration process, let's go to add-ons. Click this. Okay, so as you can see, we have an add-on called as Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So in your case, since you're starting with this integration, Pabbly Connect webhooks might not have been installed in your system. So you have to go to this place called as Get Add-ons. Click this. Okay, so when you click on Get Add-ons, G Suite Marketplace opens up. So now in the search, you just have to type Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This one. Okay, so basically all you have to do is just click on this button and Pabbly Connect add-on will be inserted into your Google Sheet. So in my case, it's already installed, so I'm just closing this. Okay, so there is something else you should know. After you have installed Pabbly Connect add-ons in your system, in your Google Sheet, you should not forget to refresh the Google Sheet. Google Sheet has to be refreshed. Okay, so let me go back to add-ons. And I'm going to click on Pabbly Connect Webhook. A drop down emerges. So in this drop down, at the first position, you will find the option called as Initial Setup. Click this. Okay, so this is the initial setup window. Now we have 2 blanks to fill, the webhook URL and the trigger column. So to get the webhook URL, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Excellent. Now in the trigger column, so the trigger column, I'm making it as D. Okay, so your obvious question is why we are keeping the trigger column as D. Well, the trigger column is always the last data entry column. Since our last data entry column is D, the trigger column is kept as D. Okay, so basically the whole premise is we have integrated Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new data row is updated, is made in Google Sheet, Pabbly Connect has to capture this data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we send the data from here? So all we have to do at this point is just click on Send Test. Okay, so it is showing the data has been sent. Okay, so let's have a look in Pabbly Connect. Has it captured this data? Okay, so as you can see, this is the webhook response. So in the message, it is showing a new video called Stripe to Aweber. Let me expand this. Has been uploaded. So basically, this is the first column. A new video called Stripe to Aweber has been uploaded. Okay, then we have the alt text as Stripe Aweber. So this is the alt text, and I'm sorry, it is being hidden under this window. I'm sorry about that. And then we have, of course, the bot name as Elon Musk, and this is the image URL. Excellent. So basically, all the data that is present here has been captured by Pabbly Connect. So now we have to sync all this data to Slack to send a message. So all we have to do at this point is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Slack? This one. Okay. Now in the action event, how about we make it as send channel message with image. Okay, we are going to send the channel message with image. Now there are many more action events like create a channel, send direct message, invite users to a channel, send private channel message, and so on. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send a channel message with image. Okay, so just click on connect with Slack. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Slack. Okay, so as you can see, Pabbly Connect is demanding access to my Slack workspace. So before you click on allow, there is something I need to tell you. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. So when you click on OK, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to construct a message from the data that we have received from Sheet via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so before we begin, let me show you something. In the channel, it is showing it as general. And when we expand this, we can see all other channels. So basically, these are all the channels in my Slack account. Okay, so these are all the channels that is present in my Slack account that is being reflected here. Okay, so this is because we have integrated Slack to Pabbly Connect. So this means if I create a channel here, it should be reflected there. So I'm going to create a channel. So the name of the channel is Google Sheets message. Okay, so I'm keeping the description as empty. Just click on create. Okay, so I'm inviting 3 people. So I'm just clicking on done. Okay, so a channel has been created and these are the 3 people included in this channel. Okay, so let me go to Pabbly Connect and let's just go and refresh this first. Okay, it has been refreshed. So we can expect to find a channel called as Google Sheet message. Okay, so this is the one. So we have selected it. Okay, so my point remains clear. Any variation that is bought here will be reflected here. This is because Pabbly Connect is now integrated with Slack. So we are going to send message in this channel. Now in the message type, I'm keeping it as plain text. Okay, so in the message, we are going to start mapping in our detail. So this button is called as the mapping button. So when we click this, you will find all the data that is present here. Okay, here. Okay, so basically, I'm just going to click on this message. And the message has been mapped. Excellent. Now comes the part called as the image URL. So I'm just going to click here. So this is the data regarding the image URL. And then we have the image alt text. Okay, so the image alt text was Stripe Aweber. And we have also had data regarding the bot name. So this is the bot name. So we don't have any data regarding the bot icon. As you can see in Google Sheet, we didn't have any column for bot icon. So I'm just leaving it as empty. If you want, you can enter a specific URL for that, but I'm leaving it as empty. Okay, so basically we have entered all the details necessary to create a message. So all we have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to Slack. So let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing a new video called Stripe to Aweber has been uploaded. And this is the image URL, okay, and this is the image. So basically this is my image, okay, and this image is basically a thumbnail of the video that has been uploaded in YouTube, okay, and the video title was Stripe to Aweber. So basically this channel is for Pabbly team members, imagine like that, and whenever a new video is uploaded, it goes into Google Sheet and that data will be relayed here. Okay, so how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and I'm minimizing my action window. Also, I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Slack. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Google Sheets and Slack. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to Google Sheet and make some data entry. But before we do that, we have to do two things. First of all, we actually have to submit this. Click on submit. Okay, and just go back to add-ons. Go back to this add-on called as Pabbly Connect Webhook and just click on send on event. Okay, so this will ensure that anytime a data entry is made in Google Sheet, it will start sending the data. Okay, so the new message would be a new video called WooCommerce and click send. Click send. Okay, I'm sorry about the spelling. Click send has been uploaded. Okay, so we can maximize this, and the alt text is WooCommerce click send, and the bot name is Bill Gates and this is the image URL. So I'm just pasting it here. Sorry. Okay, so we have entered the image URL. Okay, so let's have a look in Slack whether it has sent the message. Okay, so as you can see, Bill Gates, a bot called as Bill Gates has sent the message. A new video called WooCommerce and click send has been uploaded. So this is the image URL. This is the image. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new data is made in Google Sheet, it will be reflected as a message in Slack.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.